how to deselect parts from an object, and what if you made a selection mistake. Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you some very basic thing about selection. Regardless of which selection you're dealing with, it could be faces or vertices. The problem here is that sometimes you need to deselect something. So how do you do that? The first thing is if you simply click, you left click, you can click to select like this, or you can marquee select to select. And to deselect, by simple clicking, if you click something that is selected, it will automatically deselect. But if you want to use marquee selection, you hold down the control key, and while you hold on the control key, you can basically marquee deselect. Marquee will act as a deselection. Now, what if you made a mistake and you sometimes make a complex selection and you quickly did something, or maybe you clicked on the grid and mistakenly deselected after doing a lot of work? Is your work lost? The answer is no. SelfCAD undo redo takes care of selection as well. So you've seen I've already done multiple selection here. I'll go to the undo. You can see it gets back this. Again, undo, every selection counts. And here you go, brings back this and this until I run out of my undo steps at some point, which you can change you see no more undo steps. If you go to the preference, you can see how much undo I have. Mine was set to 20, so I ran out of it. You can do, it looks like the max is 120. If I do more, you can do more of it. But selection is a part of the undo and redo. I hope this helps. It's a quick tip. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.